Spacious 3-bedroom 2-bathroom home with a 2-car garage. Southern rear exposure. 1,628 square feet under air. Accordion shutters. Mature palm trees and landscaping. Air conditioner replaced 05/2019. The property is sold turnkey, with the exception of the seller's personal items. Dual sinks and closets in the main bathroom. Walk-in closets in all of the bedrooms. High ceilings in the living and kitchen areas. The property would be a great primary residence, second home, vacation home, or investment. Close to downtown Cape Coral, the Cape Coral Yacht Club, Tarpon Point, Cape Harbour, Fort Myers, Pine Island, and Matlacha. Easy access for boating, biking, walking, beaches, golfing, airports, shopping, restaurants, parks, boat ramps, and much more. The city water and sewer assessments are in and AMP paid. Submit your offer today.